A few years ago, I came out with an idea adding a parchesi into the domino tables. Today, we're going a little bit different. Stay tuned. Today, I would like to show you guys new design, the beginning of many new different tables that are coming out. Sorry I haven't been posting tables, sorry I haven't been posting videos, but I promise you it's working for the best. It's working for a lot of new stuff coming out of my channel, a lot of new stuff coming out for you guys to learn. I hope you guys like it. This is a Puerto Rican theme with the New York Jets.